Busy customers, just look at how my design looking so beautiful, so marvelous. Whatever they give us a call, Steven Joe, a very beautiful design across the country. Carlo, make you last video before you go. Yeah, make go. Carlo, with the team with the support. Carlo, me to be Barcelona fan. Oh. Carlo, you want to be my enemy? Carlo. So now you come to Barcelona or how? Carlo, no. I don't gonna answer. Carlo, I be Barcelona fan. Carlo, I be Barcelona fan. Carlo, you want to be my enemy? Carlo, how to convince you? Carlo, I be Barcelona fan. Okay. So that you are. That quality for the stonework inside. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But Barcelona go do better than this one. Okay. Anyhow, yeah. I be some Barcelona be red way, Real Madrid be. Right. Be white so go take us like grey. It not be easy. Carlo, just look at the job. But by the time we watch football now, this guy they play Ribery. Yeah, they play. Yeah. Okay. Maybe those days now, me a big one they play. Okay. Oh, Charlie. Carlo, you talk about the work, you know. Talk about the natural stones, you know. I don't watch here. You go chop banku see. Apprentice see your body. People feel like work, they go feel me slim now. You put me big. Ask like what? Ask like flog way, village flog. Yeah, hello amazing customers. Just look at how the marble stones looking so beautiful, so marvelous. Here the Juma pane here. Maybe all be to San Francisco Steven Stone design. Oba we Juma farmer. Oh, Chassis. I'll show you man confirm. Confirm. Fair. Maybe all be to San Francisco Steven Stone design. Eba we Juma farmer.